Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bobbi. How are you doing? We do beauty things over here, and then every once in a while I make a shirt or I do a skincare video, something like that. But it's all basically beauty realm related, all girly things. So if you're into that kind of stuff and you like how crazy I'm being right now, and you think you might like this look, then keep on watching. We're working in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette today, and this is a super easy look. I literally used four shades from the palette. So if you're ready to see how I got this cute slaying eye look that was in the thumbnail, then just keep watching. Pink is the color of the day.
Okay guys, so we're gonna jump into the tutorial with love handles, okay? And normally love handles is not a good thing, but I really think that this shade is really so pretty. Morphe and Jaclyn Hill hit it out of the park with this palette. Let me just state that. It was like my go-to palette for the summer, which I kind of hate saying that because you guys, I feel a particular way about Jaclyn Hill, which saddens me to say because I used to be a huge fan, you know what I'm saying? But I don't take being lied to, especially to my face, very well. I don't know anybody who does though. So anyways, so this is the shade Grateful, and it's so pretty. Like, I love all of the warm tones. Warm tone colors give me the feels, and honestly the Grateful shade that's right here will definitely work for like a cute fall shade. Like, I know it's still summertime, it's still hot as shit, like, but I am so ready for the fall. Like, you guys don't even know. You really don't. Even though where I live in Oklahoma, there's not really seasons, to tell the truth. It's like hot and then it's a little less hot, you know, but always windy. So that's about it. So this is just a concealer. It's the E.L.F. Camo Concealer, and it's the 16-hour one, the one that's very, very matte. And then I go in with the shade Certified. I do just a little half baby cut crease so that I can, you know, get that line in there and the white on there pretty sharply. Now, I could have used it without that, but I just wanted, you know, a little extra zhuzh, if you will. And you guys are going to see me go back and forth just a little bit. Really just so you could get the full scope of how much blending you're going to have to do. But, I mean, anybody who knows makeup, for real, knows that you don't really have to do as much blending with these eyeshadows as you do with other ones. So this is the NYX Vivid Brights. It's a cream eyeshadow base basically, and this is the shade Love Overdose. And then on top of that, I go in with this cute bright Barbie pink shade. It's called Tipsy Girl, which I thought was kind of stupid, but you know, whatever. I didn't it's not for me to pick, you know what I'm saying? But you know, it's, the shade is really cute, and I left this basically at the real time. I didn't speed it up or anything so that you guys could see, like, I don't know, maybe I should have tried to blend out the eyeshadow base a little bit more instead of just like slapping it on there. But I don't know what happened with this eye because it didn't really do that to the other eye, but it seemed like it was just kind of sticking on top of there and didn't really want to blend out very much. So I don't know, maybe it's operator error. And right here, you guys see I have a little bit of eyeliner on already, and that is because my Betty Boop and Ipsy collab, the Drawn to You eyeliner, it quit on me finally, and I was very, very sad about it. But I just grabbed whatever kind of eyeliner I had, and in my Ipsy bag, they sent me an Illamasqua liquid eyeliner, so I just draw a little tiny thin sharp ass baby wing. You know, sharp ass and baby wing don't really go together, you know, but sharp wing, you could make it bolder if you want to, especially if you're trying to hide false lash band or something like that, but I hate false lashes, so there we have it. That's why I can get away with a little tiny baby wing. And then I kind of scrunch my eyelashes and curl them for you guys.
Oh my god, you guys, I am literally obsessed with this look. Like, you don't even get how much, like, this is giving me end of summer super cute vibes. And like, it was so easy to do, honestly. It took me like barely any time. It took me like 30 minutes to do everything, you know. So and I did add a lip color. So this is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Antwerp. I'll put it over here because I don't know that I'm saying that correctly. So I never know that I'm saying anything correctly. So it is what it is. But you could, you know, have a cute little ponytail. You could wear this on a night out. You could just go to the beach and be stunting on people. Like, I've looked at this pink shirt and I was like, yes, I need this in my life. So you guys, thank you so much. That was my tutorial on this cute end of summer. Like, this is my last like bright ass pop of color look before I get into the fall color, sweetheart. So if you like this, go ahead and give it a like. And if you like my channel, like my whole vibe and stuff like that, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me and I would really, really appreciate it. So now we have the part of my video that is meant for shout outs. So I want to say I have a new subscriber. Her name is Vanny Amaro, and everybody's going to be right here. Thank you so much, Aisha Vander. She is a YouTuber and one of my awesome YouTube and Instagram friends. She always watches my videos and she always leaves a comment. She always like actually watches all the way to the end. So I know you're gonna see this girl. Hi Aisha, thank you so much for watching. And also Madeline, or Bad Mad, as you know, YouTube knows her. You guys go check out these girls' channels. There's some real ones. They have great content and you should just give them a try. And Kayaj Contour, his channel is awesome. He is so funny. You guys, you don't even know. Give his channel a check out. If you're, tell him I sent you. You know, if you know, you end up going over there, hit like literally every single one of his videos, he has me cracking up, he has me rolling. And I know if I knew him like in person, we would be real life friends, you know what I'm saying? And the sweetest girl I've ever known, leaves me the nicest videos. I know Carolina, my French baby girl. Thank you so much for always being so sweet, Carolina, and like watching my videos, even though you're like way bigger YouTuber than me. Like, I really appreciate it, like, honestly. And Kelly Rottenberger, she's new to my channel. She's a new subscriber of mine, and I'm a new subscriber of hers because her content, like, she has the best hair. You guys, I think she's like an actual hairdresser in like real life or whatever. And her hair is always slaying. She's so funny at nighttime. Like, you guys, give her channel a watch. And that's gonna be it for today. But thank you guys so much. I really appreciate every single last one of everybody who likes, comments, watches, and leaves me a subscription. You know. Oh, thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.